Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, a lot of spammy pop-ups, or you have a spammy alert, or a lot of spammy pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: System Settings and Antivirus app. Now I'm going to show you the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps, and now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just open it and select reinstall. Click on the OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then go to the storage and choose manage storage. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Oh, sorry about the rotation. Now choose the continue. Continue. Once more. And now close the ads. Choose continue with ads and tap on the green circle. Then click OK and add a permission to the files. Now go back to the app. The scanning process should start automatically, and after that your tablet should be free from any unwanted software that you have. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.